Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and see your 1 rep max on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page, but keep in mind you can only use the ladder application with the paid subscription or if you have the free trial that is offered to you once you open up the application for the first time. So basically once you have got started, and now we can get started with accessing the teams we want to be a part of right here in the bottom right corner by accessing whose team we want to be a part of and what workouts we want to follow. We can go and take a look at how to see your 1 rep max. So basically you can do so by checking your workout history or the exercise journal. As you can see right here at the top of the screen, you're going to have the calendar from where you can go and take a look at the previous exercises, and if you click on your profile in the upper right corner, you can go and take a look at your workout history, from where you can go and take a look at your goals and maximum reps that you have done. So if you click on any of the workouts, you can even add notes. You can open up an exercise that's going to enable you to select what kind of effort you put into it and what kind of weight, and you also have the note section to put what your 1 rep max is. So that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.